Exemptions from ACCA, this is very one common question, which is sometimes which is misunderstood as well. You only get one exemption. So you know that ACCA qualification has 13 exams, DipIfr is one exam. It is financial reporting. If you pass the DipIfr exam and then you wish to continue your ACCA qualification, what exemptions do you get in ACCA? Just one exemption, which is F7. That's all. You will not get anything else. In past, like until 2016, ACCA used to give two exemptions, F3 and F7. But then they removed F3, which was a very logical decision because F3 is a bookkeeping paper. DipIfr is a financial reporting thing, not bookkeeping. So in DipIfr, you don't expect to learn debits or credits or stuff like that. We assume that you already know that. So when you do your DipIfr exam, you move to ACCA, you get F7 exemption. How do I compare the value of DipIfr and ACCA? ACCA professional qualification is much more valuable because you see that it has like different knowledge areas. It has financial accounting, financial management, so many knowledge areas. Only one knowledge area is IFRS. So DipIfr only refers to this thing, okay? So one thing you need to understand, which is also misunderstood sometimes, that does ACCA professional qualification match with DipIfr? The answer is no, because ACCA professional qualification takes you 3 to 4 years, whereas DipIfr takes you only 6 months. So, but within 6 months, if you can clear it, if you can claim this qualification, still it is a very good option and it is very valuable if you are into financial reporting. Because there are many people, they say that, you know, if you are a chief accountant who is responsible for preparing financial statements, if you're an auditor, if your role is only about financial statement preparation, why should you bother yourself for studying taxation and auditing and financial management and cost accounting and budgeting? That's not your scope. So then you say, I'm focusing on my ACCA DipIfr qualification. Another step is required effort and time, minimum 4 to 6 months. Like I said, exam is held twice a year. How much time and effort is needed? I see it as an effort of 4 to 6 months at the max, depending on your current workload, because all of the people who take DipIfr, they are working professionals. So you need to manage it. You need to balance it with your family, with your work, to your studies. So I consider like 4 months is a reasonable time period. If you are overly busy, probably you can go for even more. How much of the total effort is needed during this period? Approximately 170 hours to 200 hours you need to allocate. And this includes watching the lecture videos, which means covering the syllabus, watching the practice question videos, which mean doing the practice, then reading your study textbook and doing questions on your own. So all together, you need 170 to 200 hours. How do I see the work plan? I see it is like a kind of 15 hours workload per week. So this is just to quantify things and make it more clear. If you are planning to start your DipIfr qualification, you should think like that. You should be dedicating approximately 15 hours per week for the next 4 months. And then in the end, you get a diploma, which is very valuable. And 15 hours per week means that maybe during the weekdays, you can spend 4 to 6 hours. And on weekends, you can give, 7 to 8 hours. Next is Vertex DipIfr course. What do we offer? Like I told you that I've been teaching ACCA DipIfr for almost 15 years now, and I've never skipped a session. I've literally taught hundreds of students in these 15 years, and seeing and watching ACCA DipIfr exams and the problems which students they make, examiner reports and stuff like that. Based on all my knowledge, we have actually created a complete course which covers each and every part of the syllabus in a very detailed manner, because I make very detailed conceptual videos to make you understand, the true, understanding of IFRS and then application of IFRS. And there are a lot of practice question videos which we offer. So if you see that the course which you register with Vertex, you get a complete set of resources. It includes short notes. It includes standard summaries. IFRS standard summaries, because one time you will read from the book a standard which is on probably 10 pages or 15 pages. And in fact, that's a summary because real standards are more than 100 pages. So you read a summary from the book, 15 pages, but then before exam, you might not have so much time to revise everything. So you need short notes. So you get my short notes, you get my PowerPoint slides, you get my complete video lectures, very detailed, which is almost over 70 hours, topic by topic. And then you see a lot of question videos as well. And not only that, you get your resources, you actually get added to our WhatsApp group, our Telegram groups, where I'm participating. So I'm with you throughout the preparation process, wherever you get stuck, wherever you need extra guidance, on some questions, on some concepts. So you take the screenshot, you share it in the group, and I give response. So you always have this option and opportunity to remain in touch with me. And then we also do some live webinars, free live webinars before exam, to do some more practice and to discuss the key exam areas.